Can I overwinter my potted perennials? The short answer is yes, you can. I will go over a few ranging from the most successful and likely to succeed to the least successful. So, make sure that your plants are compatible in your zone. As you can see, this daylily, -30 to -40. Just look on a USDA zone map and type in your zip code on some of them and you'll get your zone. Usually these will say what zone it is, but that's a zone 3, -30 to -40. Same with that rose, that's hardy to -10. So if they are hardy to your zone, you're good to go. You want to plant perennials that are hardy anyway in ground that are compatible, because if not, they'll just die after 1 year. Another thing you can keep in mind is just wait for these to go dormant. Allow some frost to hit them. As you can see, we've had our first pretty good freeze and the leaves are starting to turn yellow, but wait for these to fully go dormant and die back. And then the first thing you can do, put them in an unheated garage or basement. That is the best option you can do. Every month or so, check up on them, water them just a little bit. As long as your garage does not or basement fall below 20 to 30 degrees, you're a-okay and ready to rock and roll for the spring, to bring these out in the spring. Now, if they do get a little bit colder than that, you'll want to provide some sort of heat or some sort of added protection. The second way, which I'll bring you over, is to heal in your cuttings. As you can see here, I have this coneflower sunseeker, and some lilies here. Just heal them in. Put some mulch around them. It can be all the way. I do recommend all the way if possible, but if not, go ahead and add some mulch around. You can see it's already starting to frost. The frost on the ground. Now just go ahead, put a layer of nice insulating mulch around them. That is the second tip you can do, and that will also have a reasonable amount of success because you're insulating the roots and protecting the roots from the super harsh elements. And the third thing you can do, which has the least amount of success usually, is to put all your potted perennials all in the same spot. So if you had like 3 or 4, put them up against, like a house, a fence, something that will protect them from the winds and, the really, really cold weather. And then what you'll want to do is put some sort of plastic over them, kind of like a cold frame idea, just to protect your plants. Only do this though if this is your last option and you can't do either the healing in or the best option, storing them in a garage or shed. It's very important that for me, that I give you the best advice. So this is only a last resort, is to put your perennials in a place where they're somewhat protected by the elements. But this, just mind you, will have the least amount of success. So I hope you like and subscribe to my channel to see more gardening content and updates on these plants, overwintering processes. I will be going over that in future videos, things along seed starting and so on. So until I see you in the next video, get on growing.